Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. It's your boy, Jay Boogie. We back again. Whoa, man, let's see what we got going on in these charts. Oh, look at SPY. Yesterday, SPY was in a crazy downtrend. Started the day up, went down, touched 663. By the end of the day, it was back up to 668, 669. So we had a crazy range. We dropped from 672 down to 663, almost 10-point drop. So that was nice. So look at the chart from yesterday. Alright, yesterday we talked about entry level around 672.20, 672.90. If it fails to break pre-market high and hold with the stop above 673, it dropped 671.50, 670, 669, and you clearly see that we hit all of those levels and then some. And from down there we came and we bounced back up. So we had a pretty decent day. If you followed the chart, you should have did okay. Like I said, this is not financial advice, but if you followed the chart, my ideas, then you had a pretty good day yesterday. Alright, let's look at what we got today. Alright, so yesterday SPY ran up to 672 before fading all the way back down to 663.30, and it closed near the mid range. And that's a pretty wide 10-point swing. So today the 2-point pre-market range between 669 and 667 is tight before the next directional move. And basically we're inside yesterday's body, so buyers want to reclaim above 670 and sellers want to push back under 667. Now, if SPY can break and hold above 669 on a strong 5-minute close, I'm looking for entries around 669.25 to 669 with my stop going under 668.7. I'm targeting 670.50, 671.50, and 672. And that move put us right back into yesterday's high zone. You know, with the momentum, traders will be all over that if the volume pump up. And for the bears, it'll SPY test the top of the range and stall out. Then you better be looking for puts from there. You want to end around 669, 671.80 to 669 with stop above 672.20. With targets sitting at 667.80, 666.50, and 665. And you want to watch for a lower to high pattern. You know, probably you definitely want to look at the closes of the candles on. I use the 5-minute chart, so I'll be looking for a weak close on the 5-minute, and that really confirmed the sellers about to step in. So we operate from there. And so with that being said, my opening watch zone is going to be 667 and 669, because that's where the market probably will pick its side. And I'll wait for a clean 5 to 15-minute close with volume confirmation before entering any trade. And then I'll try to keep my stop losses tight as I scale out to 25, 33% at each target while targeting, trailing the rest. You want to scale out if you can, because when the range this tight, you're going to need some patience. And then you can let the break happen and you can ride the momentum. And so that's my trade plan for today. It's Thursday, October 23rd. Above 669.15, the bulls probably going to be in control for a while with the target zone up to 672. And then below 667.08, momentum probably be flipping if that happens. and we can slide towards 665 I love. And then you want to trade with discipline, stick with your plan, and let the price confirm every move. Now, if what I'm sharing on this chart and on this video helps you get prepared, hit the like button, drop your levels in the comment, and I'll see you for another power play tomorrow. And then, like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Power Plays. We'll see you tomorrow.